So how would you describe, I mean, hearing about your background and how you are seamlessly able to kind of infuse this sort of higher vision into your work, how does that manifest itself, on a day-to-day basis and around a project? So, how should companies really be thinking about, responsibility and sustainability and all of the abilities?
All of the abilities. I think the most difficult part is so over the last 10 years, I've been thinking a lot about innovation. And granted, it comes through the lens of a design firm for the most part, but we touch so many things, or so many things are influenced by us and we are influenced by them, which is to say the construction industry, policy, physical gravity, uh, you name it. It's kind of coming in, funding as well. And so I've come to the conclusion that, in at least from my head anyway, innovation is the idea, but it's also the implementation. And so when you think about how many great ideas there are, especially, I go to these sit on student reviews, and there's amazing ideas, but then they're sort of stymied by the fact that there's no client to pay for it to actually do it. So it stays in an idea until you start to think about the implementation part. And so for the innovation and for how to incorporate it, I think the first thing is the awareness that to step back, see the big picture, and be able to innovate and like really think big picture change, but to understand it's going to take a whole bunch of tiny improvements to get there too.